Ant infestations can be a frustrating problem for homeowners. Many turn to household items like baking soda in hopes of an easy solution. But does baking soda really kill ants? Baking soda is often believed to kill ants by reacting with the acid in their digestive system. When consumed, it can cause gas buildup that leads to their death. However, this method isn't always reliable. While baking soda can kill some ants, it may not work against an entire infestation, especially if ants don't take the bait. One of the main benefits of using baking soda is that it's non-toxic and safe to use around children and pets. Unlike chemical insecticides, baking soda won't pose a significant health risk if accidentally touched or ingested in small amounts. This makes it a more family-friendly option for managing pests. To increase the chances of success, you can mix baking soda with something sweet, like sugar or syrup, to create a bait that attracts ants. Simply combine equal parts baking soda and sugar, and place the mixture near ant trails or entry points. The sugar lures the ants in, while the baking soda does the rest. When applying the bait around your home, focus on areas where you've noticed the most activity, like near windows, door frames, or cracks in the walls. Make sure to keep the bait out of direct reach of pets and children, even though it's generally safe. Check and refresh the bait every few days. If you're dealing with a large infestation, professional products or services might be more effective. But if you're looking for a safe, non-toxic option to try first, baking soda can be a starting point. Just keep your expectations realistic. Consider other solutions like ant traps, diatomaceous earth, or calling a pest control expert if the problem persists.